Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Savannah. I'm a machine learning engineer and an artificial intelligence expert. So this is my inaugural video and I wanted just to give you like some form of recap of what I've done and how I got here for two reasons. Number one, to motivate you people to start because I started machine learning about a year or so ago in my mid 30s. So it's something which can inspire you also, especially if you're looking to maybe to change careers or just do other things in life. And I think it's very important that we learn these things. Also, kindly stick around to the very end because I have a very special offer for you. So, in a nutshell, I always thought about machine learning and perhaps how I could venture into the field and learn machine learning and become an expert in it too. Because um, we live in a world that changes very, very fast, and it's important to be abreast with the changing things in the field, but at the same time to increase your prospects and career as well. So I would say my journey into machine learning has been interesting. It's been very interesting because um, it was rather forced. In 2020, I was working on my thesis for my master's program, and the faculty was very, very specific. They didn't want you just to do something, maybe a survey or something. They wanted something tangible. And so um, initially, I submitted so many proposals, which were mostly from the human-computer interaction aspect, maybe surveying things like that. But then um, the idea was that what I was trying to do wasn't what they really wanted. They wanted something that advances the field of science, which I think is very, very important. And and sometimes, especially in Kenya, and I've had an opportunity to read so many um, theses, dissertations, and often it's just basic things of I don't know, surveying the adoption of electronic records, something of the sort. But my supervisors wanted something that could advance the field in a way. So, because I love cybersecurity, I think that's a field I love so much. I decided I would do something in it, and so I did my research, and then I came across the growing field of the utilization of artificial intelligence, particularly machine learning, in the detection of, let's say, malware, attacks, breaches, and all these things. And I found out this is a very interesting topic because um, human nature is very unpredictable. Human beings are very unpredictable. And sometimes it's only through learning their behavior, the behavior of each and every individual, that you can come up with a solution that can be able to um, provide security, um, privacy in a manner that is more efficient. And so, um, as I began now writing my thesis, I wanted to use learnings about machine learning specifically and artificial intelligence to solve problems in cybersecurity. But I had a problem, and the problem is that I wasn't very, very good in Python, but at the same time, I wasn't particularly good in machine learning. So I had to learn both. I had to learn Python because now Python allows you to interact with everything, and then, of course, the machine learning aspect itself. Um, so I got an online dataset, sorry, I got a dataset online, and I started doing my experiments with it. But I had to learn on it. It's like trying to build trying to build an aeroplane as you navigate with it. So it was challenging. And it was challenging um, because I, I particularly struggled with Python, and I think that's the reason, and I think that's something which I would like to emphasize, that if you want to pursue machine learning in detail and become an expert in it, please start by learning Python, at least at the very least. Yeah, just learn some coding, because coding will allow you now to create applications which can have artificial intelligence in them. Yeah, so I think it's very important in a way. But for this particular channel, I will not focus so much on Python, because I think there's so much resources for that. Yeah, but I think there are basics of machine learning that you can learn, that you can apply in data science, you can apply in so many fields of life. And if by any chance you're struggling, maybe you have a data set and you're thinking, okay, how can I work with the data set to achieve a given outcome? You can always reach out to me via this. You can just throw me a DM. I think um, that's very important. So at this juncture, I would like to mention that there is absolutely nothing as powerful as getting an early win when you start when you start working or learning machine learning models, and then you see the results. It gives you the energy to persist. Likewise, in your machine learning journey, please seek those small wins and remember to celebrate them. Yeah, celebrating those wins gives you the validation to continue and to become a better person going forward. So this is the initial video. I didn't want it to be very long for you guys, but just to show you um, how I began my career in machine learning, and that it's never too late. You can also start machine learning, and machine learning is arguably the most important field today. I don't think there's any field that's as consequential as machine learning in the world we live in today. Um, so I mentioned at the beginning that I'll have a surprise for you, and the surprise is that starting September 2024, we'll be having a bootcamp. It'll be 1 year bootcamp, which will combine hybrid and physical classes for a period of 1 year. And for those who register early enough, between now and around um, July 15th, between now and July 15th, you'll get a 20% off discount. So in my description box down below, there is a link to my Google form. Just provide your data there, your name, your email address, and everything else. You don't have to pay right now. Yeah, you will pay once everything is up and the systems are up, because I'm working on the website, but I need to build interest in it first. So thank you for watching, and please remember to come back and see more and more and more what I'm going to teach you over this course. Also, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. The success of this channel depends on people like you who are willing to spread the word to other people. So thank you so much, and may God bless you. Thank you.